Hey, how's it going? Jasper here. Let me give you a very quick tour on this new tool I've built. It's very simple. It's for architecture and interior render, but you do it with AI. So what you do is you upload either rough sketches or screenshot of your Sketchup or honestly any 3D software scene they have built before you render them out. You can just upload the screenshot of those scenes, like so. Let me show you. Let me start a new one actually and upload that image. Once you've uploaded a screenshot of your SketchUp scene or Blender scene, you can then start prompting. Let's say a cozy room, night lighting, Tokyo Tower outside the window, and we can start rendering. It usually takes about less than 5 seconds to come back with the render. And here we go. Obviously, you can view it in full screen, or you can download that right away, or you can remove it if you're not happy. But I think this is a great base to start editing. So I think the lighting is a bit too dark. So I can say brighter lighting, and sunset outside. And I can start editing based on this image. And ta-da! It came back with pretty much the same. So composition-wise, structure-wise, it's going to be exactly the same, except we edited the lighting, we edited what's outside. And once you're happy, obviously you can keep editing with text prompt. It will just keep coming with new images. You can download that right away, but based on so it depends on what you have uploaded in your original, the resolution. But generally, these are great resolution for ideating or just testing out the scene. But once you're happy with a specific scene, you can do a 2x upscale or a 4x upscale. Obviously, these takes a bit longer, and also it takes more credit to do. But once you have upscaled that, it would just return the upscale image back here. And ta-da! It will be an upscaled image, almost 4K. But you can do another 2x or 4x to make it really big. But this is the original. You can visibly see the clarity, the new details bringing back in with the upscale. And you can view that in full screen, or you can just download this image right away. And you can start over with a new image by clicking this button, and you can start over. Or you can just individually remove images that you don't want. Very simple tool. It does one job, which is to turn your screenshots or sketches into very nice architecture or interior render super fast with AI. And you can keep editing with text and upscale that before you export to use it in your project. So give it a go. It's free to start. Until next time, ciao.